everyone, I'm Steve Bertram here with Flex Realty. I'm just here at my brand new listing at Gracelands 55 Plus, and this is a great little community. It's quiet, the streets are always clean and well taken care of, even in winter. Let's go have a look at my new unit number 58. The minute you walk in, you've got this really nice little entranceway and convenient mirrored closet right beside it. So now you can put your guests' coats there, and then you walk right into this beautiful living room with lots of natural light and an integrated dining room, a formal dining room area there too. So it's a living dining room area, nice big open space. Let's go have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is in really nice condition. There's newer flooring and there's nice oak cabinets, over the range microwave. The appliances are in really good shape. They're not brand new, but they're definitely in great shape. The oak cabinets are in really good shape, and then there's this nice little eating area right inside the kitchen, and then a place for the fridge over there. And then out here we've got a really nice little back patio. It's got a nice phantom screen. There's a built-in barbecue outlet over there for your natural gas barbecue. And the yard is really private and quiet. It's got all this beautiful cedar hedging. And over here, there's no one behind you. So it's actually, you've got no neighbors right in behind. There's just a roadway, and then of course the common building over there. Back inside, we'll have a look at this beautiful little den that's here. It's actually classified as a bedroom because it does have a closet. Lots of natural light looking out to the patio out there. And then over here, we've got the large main bathroom with a tub shower, vanity. It's all been new flooring over the years, and everything's designed for stability, so that there's grab handles and everything else like that. So it is a really well thought out bathroom. And then over here we've got the laundry room with newer Maytag appliances included in the sale. There's a really nice little closet area and some space for storage. And then here we've got the garage, which is just nice and tidy. There's a built-in vacuum with over here, and even just space for a little beer fridge in there. Man cave sort of thing if you didn't have more than one vehicle. From the garage, we go over to the master. And wow, what a nice master it is. It's got a beautiful walk-in closet. And then over here, we've got a nice ensuite bath with a walk-in shower, grab assist handles on the shower. And then this is a really nice sized master bedroom. It's got bay windows, a ceiling fan to move the air around. It's just perfect for any size bedroom set that you might have. Let's go and have a look downstairs. Before we go downstairs, have a look at this oak fronted gate that's separating the upper level from the lower level. It's perfect for pets that you don't want to go downstairs, or maybe grandkids. And then we're down the lower level. The minute you get to the bottom, you're greeted by this fantastic full bathroom that's perfect for your guests or visiting family. And then over here, look at this, it's got a workshop. Not every place in here has a workshop. That's sort of a rarity. And as well, it's got a cold room. So there's all this storage that's just perfect for anything you want to store down here. Over here, we've got the furnace and utility room. We've got a newer furnace with air conditioning, just installed recently, and a newer hot water tank. So everything's been upgraded. All you have to do is move in. It's ready for you. There's even a plumbing manifold system. Let's look at the living room with an integrated theater room as well. Down here we've got windows that provide legal egress to get out in case there was ever a fire. And then over here, this is the theater alcove. So it was designed to house your home theater back in the day. Really nice big rec room. You could have a pool table or anything you wanted down here as a games room, theater room, you name it. And then over here, we have a nice legal bedroom as well. So this is a great guest room and provides plenty of space for people to come visit you. Thanks so much for joining us on this tour of our listing at number 58 in 2710 Allenby Way, Gracelands, 55 plus. This is a beautiful unit, and you can book your showing online or give us a call for more information, 250-306-7575. I'm Steve Bertram, Flex Realty. Have a great day.